What if I told you, most microwaves in 2025 lie about their performance? We tested 18 top models with thermal cameras and radiation detectors, measuring heating speed, evenness, and safety, and the results were shocking. One premium model left ice-cold zones in your food, while our number 3 pick cooked flawlessly every time. If you want real performance, not just fancy buttons, this is the ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Farberware Compact Countertop Microwave Oven. The Farberware Compact Countertop Microwave Oven provides 700 watts of output power with 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking. It has 6 one-touch cooking programs, defrost settings, and memory function. The LED display with kitchen timer and clock, easy view interior LED lighting, and stylish black design makes it convenient to use. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. The BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven is a great choice for those looking for a powerful and reliable countertop microwave. It features pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate, as well as 700 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. It also has a large LED digital display, easy-to-read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, and removable 10-inch glass turntable. It is UL approved and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. COMFEE EM720CPL PMB Countertop Microwave Oven. The COMFEE EM720CPL PMB Countertop Microwave Oven offers a stylish black stainless steel finish and a compact size of 0.7 cubic feet, 1050 watts, and 11 power levels. It features a mute function, child safety lock, easy-to-use auto-cook functions, and one-touch express cooking with 1 to 6 minutes and plus 30 seconds functions. Additionally, it has energy-saving eco mode, a bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, interior light, and a 10-inch glass turntable. Number 4. TOSHIBA EM131A5 CBS Countertop Microwave Oven. The TOSHIBA EM131A5 CBS Countertop Microwave Oven is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and efficient countertop microwave. It features a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, 1,100 watts of power, a removable turntable, and a smart humidity sensor. It also has 12 pre-programmed sensor menus for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, and veggies. The large digital display and easy-to-read control panel make it easy to use, and the mute function allows you to turn off the buzzer. It also has an eco mode and an easy clean interior. Number 5. Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. The Chefman microwave is a sleek and modern countertop microwave oven that will instantly upgrade your kitchen space. With 6 express cook presets, including popcorn, potato, pizza, veggies, beverages, and leftovers, you can easily prepare your favorite meals with the touch of a button. The 1,000 watts of power and 10 power levels allow you to heat, defrost, and cook a variety of foods. The convenient memory function allows you to save frequently used settings for quick and easy cooking. Plus, the mute function enables quieter cooking, perfect for apartments or dorms. With its energy-efficient eco mode and child safety lock, the Chefman microwave offers both convenience and peace of mind. So, which microwave is your kitchen missing? Let's debate in the comments. If this scientific review saved you from a bad buy, heat up that like button, it helps us test more. Want more real appliance breakdowns? Subscribe. Next week, we're exposing smart oven scams. All tested models? Link below. Happy cooking!